Hey everyone, Joe here on location in Moab, Utah, drinking coffee and getting drone footage of Arches National Park. Today I'm going to share those locations with you along with GPS coordinates. Hey everyone, today we're in Moab, Utah, one of my absolute favorite places in the whole wide world. And we keep coming back here because it's so gorgeous. We love the red rock. I think I'm addicted to it. We also love, it's an outdoor paradise, so you can hike, backpack, you can camp, you can go four-wheeling, you can do some of the most beautiful scenic drives of anywhere we've ever seen, and we've been everywhere. We just really love it here. Moab, Utah is also home to two of the world's most beautiful national parks, Arches National Park and Canyonlands National Park. Unfortunately for drone pilots, the National Park Service bans the use of drones being taken off or landed or controlled from within park boundaries of any of their properties. That's national parks as well as national monuments. Now there's kind of two ways to get around this. The first way is one that I haven't quite pursued yet myself. Technically, legally, the Park Service doesn't control the airspace above the park. The FAA does. So you could, within the confines of the law, take off outside of a park boundary, fly into a park, get your drone footage, and then fly back out. There's a couple reasons I haven't done this yet. First, I don't want to get attention from people that don't know the law. Maybe it's a park ranger or another guest. Second, most of the stuff that's really good to see inside of a national park isn't within about a mile of that boundary where I'd be able to maintain visual line of sight with the drone. So that's kind of why I haven't pursued that. Now the second way to get drone footage of a national park is to scout the area around the park, go, show up, make sure that you're able to fly there legally, and fly, get your footage, and then just say, hey, check out this awesome footage of Arches National Park. I know what you're thinking. Okay, Joe, you told us you're not going to fly in the national park today. How are you going to get drone footage of the national park? Well, I've spent hours, days, and weeks scouting out different places to fly the drone here that have valleys, amazing rock formations, rock bridges, and yes, towers and even arches that we can legally fly the drone at. So today I'm going to share those locations with you along with GPS coordinates. Hey, thanks so much for watching today's episode. We had as much fun making it as you guys did watching it. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you got anything out of this video. We did include GPS coordinates of everywhere that we flew today throughout the video and in the description below. If you click down there, you'll see those coordinates along with Google Maps links. And as always, be sure to click on our weekly Amazon surprise link down below and find out what the item is. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys next week.